Hi guys, I have a sister. Well, it's pretty cool, man, but none of you are relevant to the series. Wait, what? Have fun having some no screen time, losers! What? Look, Mater, a dino park. Let's go learn about dinosaurs. Nah, learning's for losers. Let's go get some rest. I agree. Welcome, new guests, to the Disney's Haunted Mansion. I mean, the Destiny Hotel. Are you supposed to be, the Demolition Derby police car from Cars 3? Well, basically the die-cast of us, the toys of us are not even out yet. Okay, well, peace out again. Oh man, everything's so scary. Derby? Well, of course I am. Ooh. A die-cast of me as a NASCAR legend. They're making fun of me. And what is this? What is it? What was that? Linda?
That was Mommy.
Hey guys, I have a sister. Oh, that's so cool, Mater. But all of you are not gonna be in a series. Wait, what? Have fun having some no screen time, losers. Wow, Mater, a dino park. Let's go learn about dinosaurs. Nah, shoot. I hate learning. Learning is for losers. A dinosaur. So, wait a minute. Are you supposed to be the die-cast from the Dino Truck show? Yes, but apparently the die-casts aren't out yet. And the little, big rolling chomp dinosaur, that's the only one that is out. Well, peace out. I'm out of my dream now. Ooh. Hey, don't get out of this dream yet. Wow, Lightning, I was wrong. Learning sure is cool. Yup, you could say that again. Learning sure is cool. Mater, it sure is dark. Let's go sleep somewhere. I agree. Welcome to Disney's Haunted Mansion. I mean, the Destiny Hotel. Wait, are you that die-cast from the Demolition Derby named APV? Well, why, yes, but apparently the die-casts aren't out yet. And it looks like that Lightning McQueen right there, I know you. You're like the person who's playing with you does not have the road trip version of you. He has a Happy Meal toy of me. That does not matter. Ooh. Okay, well, peace out. Oh man, everything's so scary. What is this? Ah! And with the Rastafarian and what is this? What is it? It's the McDonald's toys of me. Gah! Mayor, Destiny Hotel was creepy. I'm never going here again, but at least I'm not dead, and at least none of it was Cap.
Are you sure about that?
Why did it show that? It wasn't Cap, it wasn't Cap! Welcome to Salt Flats, where everyone goes super fast. Wait, seriously? I want to go super fast. Wait, you're not even the turbo vehicles. You're the Cars 1 racers. Okay, so we're diecast. But I want to go super fast. Have you ever done this before? No, but I'm about to do it now. Mater, you look pretty fast, but you're the Pixar Fest diecast. Woo! See you later, McQueen. I'm the fastest character in the franchise now. Woo! Here lies Sertomata. People kinda tolerate him sometimes. Death was 1957 from 2022. He did what in his cup? He did what in his cup? Rest in peace, Meta. Lightning, I want you to meet my new friends. They told me that they're cryptid hunters. No, we told you that we were crypto hunters. Crypto hunters? Yup, we told you that. Crypto hunters. We were hacking stuff for like many years, and this is the time to shine, cause we're doing it again. Have you bought any of my Bitcoins yet? They're only like $15.99. First of all, Bitcoins are digital. Well, who cares? The time to invest is now. We're gonna go hack with our new friends. Let's get out of here. I agree. Ah! Hi, I'm Ivy. Hi, Ivy. My diecast isn't out yet. Yeah, we could tell. I'm a monster truck, but I don't want to be a monster truck. Last time, I messed up on being a monster truck. And right now, I just wanted to stay in the woods and keep me there for 1,000 of years. And I stayed there for 1,000 of years. Thank you. That's pretty suspicious. Yeah, I know. Ah, a clown. I hate clowns. You know, I'm actually the Dr. Damage diecast, but the person who's playing with me, made my grill red so like I could look a bit more like a clown. I want to be a clown. I like clowns now. Also, I own the circus all along. wrong. I knew it. Trunks. Trucks. Trucks. Mac, what are you doing here? I don't know. Trucks. Hey, you're the crypto hunter. Truck. Trunks. Trucks. 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 Wait a minute. Are you the Mr. the King diecast? Yes, and this is an acting place. But I'm actually not Mr. the King. But this is an acting place. Ooh, I want to be an actor. Okay, I'll suit you up. Follow me. Okay. I'm Lightning McQueen, and I am the best. You suck. You're hired. Yay! You're fired. You're hired. Yay! Ivy? You're a monster truck like me. Will you pick a career and stick with it? We're lost. I'm mad. I'm mad. I'm might. You're in apocalypse now. Now that means we're gonna fight to the death. Why are you two stacked? And why is there a Jackson Storm diecast? And there's not really like a bug diecast. Like, just do a Bug's Life diecast. Like, flick. Whatever I desire. Why? Well, I just want some servants to pick me up. Girl? Girl, you're looking spicy. What did you say? I said nothing. I'll suit you up. Hey, how come you're a monster truck? You were one when you were acting. Aww. Hey, but I have an idea. What if we didn't fight? Fight! Ah! Well, Landon, we are here. My sister's wedding. Hey, guys! Cruz, where have you been? What are you doing here? I'm here to go to Mato's wedding. Wait, your sister? Mater, your sister's named Mato? And the sister of Mater is me. Just kidding. My diecast isn't out yet. My arch enemy. Girl, I don't like you. Girl, I don't like you. Oh yeah, first one up that thingamajig up there goes and leaves this place. Okay, baby brother. Girl, I don't like you. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa! Thanks for watching.